What is going on, guys? Tempo Trades. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made almost $20,000 today trading in the stock market with my group. So without a further ado, let's go into the market. Okay, so just looking at this right now, what am I seeing? Well, price came down off the open, had a little down move, okay? And we actually ended up sweeping these hourly lows, okay? These are hourly lows right here, which is a major sweep of liquidity, and you can look for reversals off of those sweeps, right? So initially, you could see this blue line right here. This is the Asia low. I kind of wanted the Asia low to sweep as well, just because that's a more important area for me. But I still told my group, I was like, hey, if we get a good reaction off of this sweep, I'm still willing to take longs. And then if we drop down to the 1 minute time frame, right, you could see that developing. Okay, so in addition to the sweep, right, in addition to the hourly sweep, we are also delivering from an hourly fair value gap. Okay, and I told my students this. That is a super strong confluence. My main strategy is I look for major liquidity sweeps, and then I look for that reversal with the IFEG pattern. But if you compare the liquidity sweep with a high time frame gap, that is just way stronger, and it's going to ensure that you have an amazing win rate. Okay, so with that in mind, with the fact that we got the major sweep on the hourly, and we are delivering from an hourly fair value gap, here is your trade. Okay, you have the 1 minute IFEG, you're risking about 20 points, and then you're just targeting, you know, the opposite side of the range. Okay, now when I was in my stream, you can see right here I gave it an A-. Here is the call out. Again, if you're not aware, I stream live every single day. You can come join me down below in the description. But so I say right here, I said NQ swept an hourly low, delivering from an hourly. I give this an A-. And then down here, you can see I did alert that I'm in long. Okay, now why did I give this an A- and not an A or an A+? Well, we are really hitting the 50% level. Okay, and that was the main risk that I was taking with this trade, was that, okay, if I enter long here, price is not going to hold above the 50% level and reject. And that's the main risk of the trade. But because of just all the other positive confluences, I was willing to take that risk. Okay, so if this 50% level was not here, I would give it an A and I'd give it a higher rating, right? But anyway, bang, there is the close. I am now in long. And first TP was at 20 points. Right there. Bang. Second TP was around these highs. Right there. At this point, I was down to runners. If you go on the hourly, just how, you know, price wants to go target liquidity, okay? Price is going to go from liquidity to liquidity or imbalance to imbalance. So where is our next liquidity area? We have this hourly high all the way up here. So at this point, I was up 50 points in profit. I had just runners, and I was really just targeting this hourly high as my final TP, okay? So that was my final TP. And then you could see with just some waiting, we go up and we hit that high for full take profit. Okay, so here is the alert. So and I literally say to my chat, I really think we can blast to the moon if ES inverses the 1 minute, right? And it happened. Look at this, it happened, right? Over here, when I was beginning and I was still in the trade, NQ inversed the gap, but ES didn't. So I told my chat, I'm like, look, I still like the trade. I'm in the trade. If ES can just inverse this gap on my right, I think we're going to blast to the moon. And what do you know? We blasted to the moon. So really, really good trade. Just a really good call out. I'm so happy of how I executed this. Again, I made almost $20,000 on this. Here's the call out. You could see I said I'm fully out of the trade, 100 points in profit, you know, and, you know, here was everyone who took it with me. Here was everyone who took it with me. You can see the profits, all of the premium members. And then last but not least, here are my executions. So I posted this on Twitter. You could see where I got in. You could see where I trimmed, where I got out. So really, really good, man. We're on a 20-day win streak. My best streak ever is 48. I've been on a 28 before, and then I've been on a 48. Those are my two best win streaks in the Discord, but we've just been cooking, man. We've just been cooking. We're taking good setups. We're doing the right things. We're not being emotional, and we're getting rewarded really, really heavily, man. So that is the story of how I won $20,000 almost in the stock market. It was not traded on one account. If you're new here, I copy trade with a ton of accounts, right? So I have, you know, at any time I'll have 20 to 25 accounts, and I'm just multiplying that and using leverage. So that's where you're seeing that big number, right? So thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Subscribe if you're new, comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.